Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.82. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 17.97% since we first listed Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.28% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 37.61% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 9.79% to 54.42%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 111.35%. Based on this analysis, the stock's performance could vary from 51.96% to 284.62% over the coming year. This translates to a future price expected to be between $23.45 and $59.35. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing features the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Rigetti Computing Incorporated. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, the stock price for Rigetti Computing Incorporated experienced a decline of 4.04%, dropping from $16.08 to $15.43. During that day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 9.4%, reaching a low of $14.75 and a high of $16.14. The stock has shown volatility in this period, with a gain of 15.32% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator, since volume typically trails the stock price. On that day, trading volume fell by 4 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $611,501,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $21.42 and its lowest price of 66 cents. Currently, the stock price stands at 27.96%, or $5.99, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker RGTI, has recently been in the spotlight due to significant developments in the quantum computing sector. The company is set to announce its second quarter of 2025 financial results on August 12th, which could provide critical insights into its performance and future forecasts. Given the current trend of heightened interest in quantum technology, the upcoming earnings report will likely influence investor perception and stock volatility. On July 16th, Rigetti stock surged by an impressive 30%, following the announcement of their achievement in demonstrating the industry's largest multi-chip quantum computer, significantly reducing error rates. This breakthrough may enhance confidence among investors, positioning Rigetti as a leader in the increasingly competitive quantum computing landscape. However, the broader market for quantum stocks appears to be cooling, with many players, including Rigetti, experiencing declines after a period of substantial gains. This could suggest that the current excitement around quantum technology might be stabilizing, affecting stock performance in the short term. Long term, Rigetti's focus on achieving scalable quantum systems with new chiplet designs, promising high gate fidelity, indicates potential for ongoing innovation and growth. If the company can maintain its momentum and prove the economic viability of its technology, it could attract continued investment, positively impacting its stock price in the future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners again assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. Stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal suggested by the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $15.41 and $12.62. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18, 2025. With the stock experiencing a decline of 10.08% since then. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 41 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $13.86 and $12.52. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $13.86. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $12.52 and $11.64. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility. And with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.39 between high and low, or 9.4%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 11.62%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's briefly examine some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing, In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $16.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $13.86. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of July, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider sale of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of July, 2025, Johnson Ray O. conducted an insider sale of 40,420 shares of common stock. On the 16th of July, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted another insider sale of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Fitzgerald Alyssa conducted an insider sale of 77,284 shares of common stock. On the 11th of June, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider sale of 25,000 warrants, which are rights to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 23.957. Overall, insiders purchased 7,197,365 shares and sold 7,877,341 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.56, which represents a decline of 5.62%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable expectation for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, we anticipate Rigetti Computing to open higher by approximately 0.09 of a dollar and begin trading at $15.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.